Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss some example of application areas of big data. So data is nothing but fuel of our future, and big data is one of the most trending domain nowadays, and for the betterment of our future we need to utilize the data available very wisely. Okay, now in this technological era, data is coming continuously and in fast rate means the data has very huge volume, and continuously means the data have some velocity. Like for example, in YouTube millions of videos are posted every day. Okay, in Twitter, in Facebook, in Instagram, thousands of posts, videos, images are coming continuously. That means the data has some velocity. Okay, so very high volume of data, velocity in data, and variety of data is handled in this domain big data. Okay, like application areas, if I want to say, first thing comes in mind, machine learning. So as you know, machine learning has many application areas, and if you train your model on very small size of data, then obviously no doubt the accuracy of your model will be lesser. Okay, it may work very well in your training data set, but it will not work in a very good way in your test data, right? But if you train your machine learning model using very high volume of data, that means using big data, then obviously you can form better model. That means your model will have higher precision, and using that accurate model you can do lots of things. Like for example, Amazon recommendation, Netflix recommendation. Like in Amazon, whatever goods you have purchased earlier, or whatever goods price or maybe reviews you are searching in Amazon, based on that Amazon will recommend that kind of good. Okay, in Netflix, whatever movie you have seen in recent past, that may be horror film, that may be love story or whatever. Okay, Netflix will recommend some that kind of movies next time when you will open. So all these are possible for only higher precision machine learning model. Okay, and obviously no doubt you can understand that what is the data volume provided by Amazon on Netflix. Millions of subscribers, thousands of users are using each second. Okay, so the data generated by them is obviously having very high size, and obviously if we train our model based on that, obviously it will be having higher precision. Okay, then for example, sentiment analysis. Okay, you have bought some good from Amazon, and then you have given some review. Okay, now for one particular good, millions of reviews are present. It is not possible for human being to read line by line of each review and understand what the customer want to tell. But computer cannot simply understand English also. So for that, one new domain came, which is called natural language processing. If the review is in English, and if we write such kind of coding using natural language processing, that it will try to detect the sentiment hidden inside each word. Like if I say wonderful or great, that means I am giving some kind of positive review. If I am telling broken, suppose my good, after delivery I have after opening the box I found, okay, there is due to some reason the good is broken. Okay, then that is negative review. Similarly, positive, negative, neutral review also possible. Like the good is okay, if you write in review, that will be considered as neutral review. So using this kind of sentimental analysis, what we can do, we can understand the customer satisfaction level, and that sentiment of the customer we can use for the improvement of the business. Okay, next time if the customer is not that much satisfied, then next time we can recommend some better good with little bit more price. Okay, or in the same range some other companies good. Okay, if the customer gives wonderful review, then that kind of good again we can recommend. Okay, all these things are based on huge size of data. Okay, now one thing to be noted, Amazon recommendation, Netflix recommendation, and sentiment analysis, whatever I have given application areas of big data, you can understand this very simply, although you have not started any marketing course, that this particular marketing is personalized marketing. for one single customer, how the customer's behavior, based on that we are doing marketing, online marketing, right? So this is called personalized marketing. So in broad way, I can say big data helps in personalized marketing. Okay, right? I hope you have understood. Then I have told you that big data deals with very high volume of data and with some data with some velocity. Another very interesting part of big data is variety. Variety means it not only works on numerical data or string type data, it works on image, it works on videos, it works on geological data, that is geolocational data, that may be temperature, that may be height of that particular location from the sea level, that may be longitude, latitude, whatever. Okay, like for example, one very interesting application area of big data is in mobile marketing. So what is that? Suppose the particular shopping mall close to my home location has my annual salary income. Okay, that is previously during some survey I have given the my salary income range. Okay, so if the particular shopping mall has customer profile and recent purchase whatever I have done, okay, in online or maybe some other shop or in that shop itself. Okay, so based on that geological data, what it will do, the nearest shopping mall will show me sale on that particular recommended product. Okay. So basically what is happening, they are using our geological data, geolocational data, longitude, latitude, using longitude and latitude, they are trying to find out the nearest shopping mall, and based on our recent purchase and our annual income, that is customer profile, they are giving sale on nearest shopping mall so that we go there and purchase some more goods. So using this kind of mobile marketing, big data is used. Okay, because you can understand here also individual customers we are handling, that means huge amount of data required. Geological data, longitude, latitude obviously will be having huge volume that we need to handle, and there big data is required. Okay, so all these are example of again personalized marketing, and this particular geological data, this example whatever I have shown, this is in terms of principle of marketing, we say this as mobile advertisement. Okay, so marketing majorly classified as two types, one is personalized, one is consumer behavior. In this particular segmentation we never focus on individual customer, rather we see trend of a bigger volume of customer behavior. Okay, like for example, in the morning time all the flight tickets are sold, but in the afternoon time the many flight tickets run with lesser amount of customer. So the company what the company will decide, give more number of flights in the morning time because customers are using that mostly. So here in this particular application we are basically judging based on consumer behavior, not individual customer behavior. Here also we will use big data. Okay, so these are many application areas. Apart from marketing, in smart cities, okay, big data is widely used and very important place and very important role. Okay, there are millions of sensors are attached everywhere, that may be humidity sensor, that may be pressure sensor, that may be temperature sensor, that may be ultrasonic sensor for detecting object. Okay, based on that we measure the traffic flow. Okay, like for example in smart cities thousands of sensors are attached, okay, which will give us an idea about traffic flow, and that will result into safety and good service. How safety? See, suppose there are two ways to reach one particular destination. Now one particular way has huge traffic. Now if before going via that way, if you understand that okay there is huge amount of traffic, then you can follow the second way, and it will result into safety also, good service. For example, if you consider robbery, then police has to reach that particular place quickly. In that case, if police has idea about traffic flow, then obviously the police can reach there with less amount of time. Same goes for ambulance, right? Same goes for Zomato, Swiggy, whatever food delivery systems are available. Okay, so better service we can provide using big data. Okay, lower energy cost, obviously kind of same way you can relate, right? How? See, if you go via such path which has more traffic, then obviously consumption of petrol, diesel will be more. Okay, so lower energy cost is can be achieved if we have traffic idea, and traffic idea obviously we can get using sensors. Sensor are providing huge amount of data. That data we need to handle using big data. And if we have lower energy cost, that will result into less pollution. Okay, so see, all these things you can connect with big data. Okay, in simple words, smart business are basically achieved only using big data. Okay, so I hope the importance of big data using these examples are clear to you. In my next video I will show you some more concepts related to big data. Thank you for watching.